Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be cleaning the map sensor on this BMW 2009 model 320 diesel. This is N47 engine. Okay, so we're just going to crack on with it. So to start off with, we're going to lift up the engine cover. There we go. So okay, and then we're going to twist it a bit and then lift it up like this. Okay, that's the engine cover out of the way. So the map sensor or manifold absolute pressure sensor is just located here on this N47 engine. So we're gonna push this clip back, okay, like this. Okay, so we're gonna press the clip down like this. There we go. Okay, that's the connector out of the way. So now we're gonna use a 10mm socket to release the map sensor. So map stands for manifold absolute pressure, okay, and then sensor is sensor. Okay, so we're using a 10mm socket and a ratchet to undo one bolt. Some map sensors have 2 bolts, but on this particular engine, okay, it's just one 10mm bolt securing the map sensor. Okay, there we go. We're just gonna remove the bolt out, and then we're just gonna wiggle the sensor. There we go. That's the map sensor out of the way. You can tell how dirty it is. Okay, it's full of soot, okay, and oil. And what we'll do is same time we'll give it a good clean inside there as well. We're just gonna have a look with a small brush. As I mentioned before, we're using Holt EGR and carb cleaner. Cover the electrical side of it, the connectors, okay, and then we're just gonna spray plenty of cleaner in there. Okay, I'm just gonna give it there we go, friends. That's the map sensor nicely cleaned. Okay, we have removed all the soot off it. It looks new as compared to what it was before. Okay, so we're just gonna insert that back into the car. Right, just gonna clean the slot. Just gonna give it a good clean here like this. There we go. That's the slot cleaned nicely. So just gonna insert the sensor back in like this. Hear the click. The bolt, 10mm bolt, goes in. There we go, friends. That's nice and tight. Just gonna put the connector back and then just gonna push it in. Right, friends, there we go. That's the map sensor cleaned nicely. So the last bit is to replace the engine cover. So the engine cover, the way engine cover fits in is you just slide it in like this. Okay, and then you turn it, place it here, There we go, that's the engine cover fitted. Thank you very much for watching the video.